Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Just Simple Meal. And guys, thank you so much for the support you are showing. Thank you for the love, for the comments, for the likes, and also guys, continue subscribing to my YouTube channel so that we can grow together. And today guys, we are doing something nice. We are doing broccoli. As you can see, we have our broccoli, we have onions, we have oil, have our curry powder there, we have red and yellow capsicums, we have our carrots, and we have our garlic. So guys, on to our first step. We'll have to cut this broccoli into pieces. And because guys, we don't want the stems, we only need the flowers. We do like that, the way I'm doing it. Don't need this. You can see guys, don't need this. It's much easier with your hands. Guys, as you can see, we are done with cutting our broccoli into pieces. We'll wash them nicely, then we blanch them. By blanching guys, we need to have water boiling like it is now. Then we add salt. You add salt, yeah. Then we'll add our broccoli. You have cleaned them. Yeah, clean. We add them. We are adding salt because we want our broccoli to remain green as they are. We let them boil for a few minutes, then we'll come back. Guys, as you can see, our broccoli have cooked. They are okay. We don't want to overcook them. They are okay that way. Now we fry them. We drain the water, then we fry them. On to our first step. We add oil onto our pan. We let it heat a bit. We add the onions. We add our garlic. Don't fry your onions too much when doing vegetables. Add our carrots. Add our capsicums. Add our curry powder. And remember guys, we are not adding salt because our broccoli, we have added salt onto them, so we don't need salt again. We stir them for them to soften. Add our broccoli. Guys, as you can see, our broccolis are done. They look nice. As you can see them, you don't want to overcook them. They look good. As you can see them. As you can see guys, we are done with our broccoli for today. We have prepared it. As you can see, they look nice, delicious. Try this at home guys, you will remember me. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. And those who are new here, and those who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly guys subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can grow together. Thank you so much, and also comment, share and like. Thank you.